Hello, Veronica. This is Clay White. The teacher here is Deborah Larson from Silva Magnet, and the course you can see is right up there in the top left corner. She's having an issue, an error that I have not seen before. Basically, when she comes over to a student's grade here, for instance, under this Chapter 16, 17 quiz, when she goes and puts in a NHI, not handed in, everything's fine. But then when she comes up here and clicks on the assignment and opens up the notes section, and she tries to put a note in there, like did not turn in work, when she goes to save it, she gets this error message. Maximum value allowed for probe book is 100. I don't know why she's getting that message. We went back into her grade book. I'm going to cancel that. We went back into her grade book to check to see if she had the maximum value set correctly. So I went back into assignments. And under her assignment, the pro book right here, probe book, this one right here, she has it set to a maximum value of 100. Again, I don't know why. She said this is the only time this is happening is on this particular class, and it's never happened before. So here's another strange thing that's happening. She is using Chrome. She was using my computer to do it, so I know that everything's updated and everything. So I don't know why this is happening. If you can please let me know as soon as possible what you think, your opinion. I appreciate it. Thank you.